Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today I want to play and explain Pack, the piece that is on page 11 of the John Thompson's This is Piano Course Part 4, and it is about a dotted quarter note in 4/4, or dotted crotchets if you have the British version of the book, in 4/4. Same as I explained in the last video regarding John Thompson's Part 4, and same as I explained at the beginning of Thompson Part 1 when we discovered the dotted minims or dotted half notes, the power of the dot that you find sometimes straight after the notes, same as here, 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 is the one of adding half of the value of the note, half of the length. In this case, the dot is straight after one quarter note, one crotchet. It means that it's adding half of a crotchet, half of a quarter note. And we know that is a quaver. Indeed, you see what Thompson is saying? That the music value written in this way has to be intended in this way. They say played, but they sound exactly the same identical way. It is simply an easier way to read the dotted crotchet, okay? You see? There is a quaver, it has been tied, and then the C, that is a quaver, anyway, single quaver that is found here. This is the only problem of the piece. It is obvious that, as you can see here, is suggesting you to play all the notes marked with the accent sign, because this is the accent and you have discovered it. In John Thompson's Part 2, should be played with extra force. Indeed, he's saying apply extra emphasis or stress to all notes marked with the accent sign that can be either above or below the notes. I'm going to play first of all at higher speed and then at slower speed. You have noticed probably that I have played the left hand chord in the third last bar using 1, 2, 4. Even though you have 5 and 3, according to what you get at the beginning, and I indeed have respected up to the third bar of the last line, here I've decided to change. Instead of playing the F with little finger, it could be played also in this way. I've decided to use 1, 2, 4. Now it is really up to you. And then obviously the ending with 2, 4, as it is written here. Now I'm going to play it very slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and and. So that's all regarding the piece called Pack on page 11 of this John Thompson's Part 4 regarding the dotted quarter notes or dotted crotchets in 4/4. If you have any question, feel free to comment to let me know, but we shouldn't have any problem because you know the dynamics. It was mezzo forte with some crescendo and diminuendo, we know the accents, we know forte, you know all the notes. Feel free to comment to let me know how things are going, if you're appreciating that I've decided to accept the invitation of some of my students, some of my subscribers, to publish Thompson Part 4. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.